Yes. The point I ask is that how many want to be in a very good position? Everyone raise your hands. For that, what we need to do now? Should have a very good plan, right? Your plan is with in your school. Yes, sir. I think you have an exam, right? One entrance exam. What is that? Within a head exam. What is the purpose of that? What is the purpose? I think you all got your NCERT textbooks, right? Right? How many of you feel CBSE NCERT books are very difficult to read, sir? Study. So difficult to study. Easy. Sir, easy to study. How many of you seen the Pearson books? NCERT, not NCERT, the Pearson, IIT books. Your friends might have that, right? Pearson. No one of you. You see? Did you see the book? Yes? So reading something. Achieving something. Yourself. What's your name? Yeah. Pages. 6. Right. So the point is that how many of you feel IIT is difficult or IIT need foundation? I'm not talking about IIT offline intermediate. IIT foundation is difficult. How many of you are feeling that? Difficult. No one is feeling. No one is feeling. Sure. Yourself. Why? Why are you feeling so? It is so hard. I didn't get it. Sir, can you take the mic this one? Yes. Words will be very hard to understand where? In IIT. That's your doubt. I mean, you feel that the terminologies in that book are very hard. Words are very hard. Otherwise, it is easy to crack. Somewhat hard. If you make it simple, it is easy to crack. Sure. Yes, sure. Right. So I will say one trick for that. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So how many of you are feeling the same? Sir, the terminology in the IIT book is difficult. No one is feeling. What can you do for that? I will say one. I strongly believe in one thing. The point is, everything will be difficult before it becomes easy. Shall I repeat? Everything will be difficult. Okay? Before it becomes easy. I repeat. Everything will be difficult before it becomes easy. So I'll say one example. Today morning when I started to shower, my car had given me trouble. It didn't start. I started thinking, okay. Then I requested my friend, one of my friends beside of my house. I asked him, can I get a car? Just want to travel to Kothakota. He said, of course. The first time I am driving other car other than my car. Okay. I get the point. So initially when I started the car, get into the car, I felt difficult. When I started, I felt difficult. I get the point? Right? And when I took the reverse gear and started traveling, initially I was like just on 20 speed or 10 speed I was traveling because the first time I'm doing that. Later, little by little, when I was near to Kothakota, I would very happily drive the car and came here. Did you get the point? So everything will be difficult before it becomes easy. You understand? So whatever you have to feel is that first to maintain the confidence can be done. Okay? One more thing is that how many of you know what to do after? Very good. So the trick I can say to you that when you are preparing, when you are feeling the difficult words, underline that words. Of course, this can be will be explained by your teachers also. But usually that happens once a lot. Underline the difficult words, okay, and just start. Don't go the teacher directly. First, you try it yourself. Okay, the best trick is that you need to try yourself first. You may do mistake. No worries. Okay, you may do mistake. But try it yourself. If you don't understand, then go to your teacher, have a discussion, then you will get the perfect. One more thing is that underline that word, and how many of you have a habit of using a dictionaries? Really? If you check your background, you will get a dictionary. Very good, yeah? Yes, very good. Right? So whenever you get a doubt, open the dictionary and check it. Right? So obvious is that. And if I ask you to write a spelling of aeroplane and apple, which one will you choose? Astronaut and apple. Right? Astronaut and apple. Astronaut. Can you not say the spelling of astronaut? No, sir. The point is that we'll always choose, listen, we'll always choose easiest one. Right? Did you get the point? We will always choose, even me. If I want to travel a long distance and shortest one, in the physics there is a right, one displacement and a distance. You know that? What is the difference between displacement and distance? So why to take class now, sir? Right, let it be there. So the shortest way, we always choose. So if I ask you to choose, you want to write an apple name or a spelling of apple or astronaut, obviously we'll choose apple. It's easy, right? Yes or no? Right? I'll say one small joke. When the teacher is asking a questions to everyone, okay, then ask it. The teacher asked, you are from which part of which state? The student replied, I am from, might be from Maharashtra. Then student said, the teacher said, asked him, oh, you are from Maharashtra. Say the spelling of Maharashtra. Then he said, sorry ma'am, I am from Goa. Do you understand? Why? Goa is easy one, right? 3 letters. Khatam. Bye-bye next. Right? So obviously what will happen? You will regret after completing your intermediate, first year and second year, saying that, hey, if I take the coaching, if I have studied in the foundation course, I may crack this exam in the first attempt. Now you are saying, no, if I study first class, I will be the topper. Yes or no? In the same way, you should not feel, you should not regret yourself doing that. Okay, if I take an opportunity to learn from our foundation courses, I may not go into a very good, I may get a very good seat, top college seat. Is that clear? So, what I request is that always take the opportunity, grab the opportunity whenever you have. Clear? So, whenever the task is given by your teacher, how many of you will accept that? How many of you will give excuses? Ma'am, if you are assignment, some project work is given by your teacher, then you say, not today, after 2 days we will give. Everyone will say that, right? Not today, after 2 days. So whenever you get an opportunity, please make sure to grab the opportunity. Then you prove it. Okay? Without trying for anything, you should not give up. Without participating in a race, will you say, It's difficult to get a seat. Very difficult. How many of you tried? How many of you gone through the Pearson books? How many of you know the information about IIT NEET? But you have decided yourself that it is difficult. Yes? Yes? We didn't participate in race, but decided ourselves. It's very difficult. Running race is very difficult. Yes? So what I say is that participate in that, try it, 100% will success. 100%. I'm not saying 99.9%. If you want to change your life, if you want to be in a good position, something you should do is something different. No sir. We do the same thing what our beside our brother is doing, my sister is doing, and his wife. Will you do the same? No, should do the something different. What is that? Should grab the opportunity what you are getting. Try to do it. How many of you tried? How many of you seen the Pearson books? Give me the answer. How many of you saw that? No. Not even a single person. Look here. Not even a single person. Do you know what is a Pearson book? Fully ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Decide. No one. But you have decided to be difficult. Decide. No one has seen that book. So they want to get an exposure to the books. Fine. So do you have any queries? You can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Anything. If there is no pain, you want to struggle now or you want to be happy now? How? Sir, every morning we'll get up, we'll take 100 kgs of that, we'll put it on my hand. How many of you are doing that? Simple thing, plan for your future. Okay, don't think that, okay, let us see. When I join in intermediate first year or second year, that will be too much late. Then you have to start struggling then, long term. Last what if you are taking a long term? 1 year will be wasted. What is the precious thing which you get it in the world? That money, that anything in the world. What is that? Time. If petrol is lost, if gold is lost, we can get it from the crust, right? We can extract that. If a money is lost, we can get it back. But one thing which cannot get it back is time. So I request you to spend your time what you are now getting in a proper way, in a planned way, in a smart way. Is that clear? Yes. Now you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubt? Related to your IIT related. How to really prepare. Yes. Anyone? Don't think whether it is a silly question or a good question. Any question you can ask. Yes. Trying to ask something. You can ask. Yeah. Concentrate on your studies is very simple. Most of the students will have the same problem. Yes? When we open the book and sit, after 5 minutes, what will happen? Huh? The YouTube short will come. Instagram Reels. Okay. Mom might be preparing something that will get into the mind. Yes or no? Yes? How many have this problem? When the teacher starts the class, after 5-10 minutes, you will go somewhere. As I said, you will go to Pani Puri shop, from there cricket match. By the time bell rings, you will come again into the class. Yes? There is a lack of concentration. As he said, I do have the same problem when I was in school days. The only the thing is that, only the best way to get rid of means to concentrate is that first you should have a dedicated ambition. Self-control. Do you understand? What is self-control? What is self-control? We have two things. One our brain will say, one more internal, one more person will be there inside us. Okay, when we are doing a correct or right, that person will say. Will you accept? If you are doing something bad, how do you know it is a bad? Instead, one more person will be there. He will say, hey Babu, the bad thing, don't do. But our mind will dominate that. No problem. Continue. Great. So if you want to concentrate, first of all, you should have a very good dedication, means should have that burning fire. I should not deviate. And you should practice one more thing is that should concentrate more. Whenever you are deviating, you yourself should motivate yourself. Clear? Should motivate yourself. No, I should concentrate. And one more thing is that set time and do that. Do you know how many of you work with the time? Today, if I want to complete this task, I will complete within a half an hour. And that half an hour, I should not deviate from any other, I should not distract from anything. How many of you keep mobile with you, along with you while you are preparing for while you are studying? Mobile will be there. Right? When we start studying, immediately when we get a message, open, 1 hour finish. Right? So if you are not using a mobile, what will happen? Obviously you should, mom will call, friend will distract you. So only the thing is that first you decide what is your ambition. Fine. If your ambition is so if I am a person, just one more example I will say. What is your name? Mihira.
Mihira.
Yeah. So Mihira is one of the student and I am also a student. Okay. And I would like to Ma'am Nirmala ma'am. So we are both are the students. She is studying in IIT. I am studying in normal college. She is studying in IIT college. I am studying in normal college. You are the Google company CEO. Let us assume. Whom will you choose? I am studying in normal engineering college and she is from IIT. Whom do you want to choose? Why? What is the reason? You do that. Yes, ma'am.
I would like to choose Mihira.
Why? What is the reason?
Why? Because she is planning for her future. future from every day. Every day she is preparing something to gain more knowledge and more information.
Yes.
So definitely she will be the right person.
Very good. Right. Thank you. See, the point here is that I am studying in a normal engineering college and she is studying in IIT college. And the person who is recruiting means the person of any company, topmost company. First they will choose IIT students. Why? What is the reason? The student who is studying in IIT, he has already cracked JEE exam. He already cracked JEE advanced also. Means there itself it is proved that is very smart man. She is smart. Do you understand? Do you understand? That's a brand. The point means the recruiter thinks that the person, students who are coming from IIT level of colleges are very smart students and they are very much interested in learning and they have very smart way of working, handling the team, everything. So what is the easiest way? I'll take it over and I'll do the training. That's all completed. For me, I'll give one more example. I just, how many of you know the company name Novartis? Novartis. Did you ever hear the word? Novartis? No. It's a multinational company. Listen, it's a multinational company. I have listen. Professor? Listen. Yourself. Yeah. So one day I just attended an interview. So very big company in multinational company. Okay? And I am from a completely village background. Am I looking like a village person? I am 100% Pakka village guy. You understand? From village, yeah, very small town. Which village is from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur district. But it's in Bapatla district. Okay, I'm completely pure village boy. I also studied in a school like not big as KBS, but little bit small English medium school. Clear? And when I went for an interview, there are some around 150 students, 150 persons attended that interview. And this is like a software company. Okay? But after that, the person who was interviewed is asking how much of smart the persons are. Not like how much of knowledge you have. Is that clear? So when I sit for an interview, the girl, there is one more lady who is in front of me. She is speaking very good English, very fluently. Okay, and it was an extremely high-fi language, advanced English. And we are like a small person, so we have a lot of tensions, right? Coming from village. Yes? And sitting in front of the person who is interviewing, we have a lot of tensions. So the point here is that if you want to go to the next level, you have to face the challenge. Is that clear? Unless you don't face the challenge, it will be the same way. So if you don't want to take the challenge, it will be the same. No need to worry, it's a very difficult one. Then coming to the point of a scope, asking the IITs, and we'll have very good chances of joining in a top companies, top MNC companies and all. And third point is that if missed there, you'll have an NIT colleges. Next to IIT, next category will be NIT colleges. Okay, and that one more thing is that you will have a very good confidence that you can crack any exam. Did you get the point? You can crack any competitive exam, not only IIT. That's the biggest scope. You will have self-confidence. And that one more thing is the top engineering colleges you can join. Is that clear? That's the thing. Any other thing? Any other point? Fast? easy question. You will have whenever teacher is asking you all the questions. Did you understand? Yes, sir. Yes. You're feeling to ask something, right? Yeah. Please. Stand up and your hand on that.
What are the advantages of choosing IIT students but why they are not choosing CBSE? What is disadvantages to them?
Can you repeat the question?
What are the advantages by choosing the IIT students?
IIT students, I didn't get the point. Ajay, you need to say why you are choosing IIT prepared students, not only CBSE students. That's okay. See, the students who are exposed to that, simple I said, your IIT's foundation means you are learning from where, which class? 6th class. From 6th to 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, you are well prepared. You are well planned. Right? And generally, the students who are in a serious what will happen, they have normal exposure. See, I said, when you are having a very good information, so for example, you said that I have information only about a CBSE, how to prepare a CBSE. You have information about how to prepare a CBSE, you have to prepare IIT, how to prepare for MBA, how to prepare any type of government exam. Who is more informative? You or me? You have information about all the government exams. I have information only about the board exam. Okay, who is smart? Smart. You are smart. Sure. Yes. The reason?
I is ready to competition of all.
Yes. You are ready for any type of competition. You are smarter. You are well prepared. You are having a good future planning. Everything. Then obviously you will have a more weightage, right? So that's the difference in lot. What the company recruiters thinks that the person who is having a very good information, who are in IIT, they are all already smart. But at the next level, they are very good at learning. This information will be there. And it doesn't mean that when you are studying in a CBS, you don't have a good smart enough. But when you are learning, you have a very good information about all the subject from 6th to 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, first year, second year. You are being ready for that, right? Just I am preparing intermediate. With the difference will be there or not? Result point of view. Obviously it will be there. So one more thing is that the students who are studying in IIT levels and all, they will have a very good exposure of the subject. What type of subject? As we discussed, in-depth of explanation will be given. Yes.
Explain briefly.
Brief. It's just not like just giving information going. Why? I said that 7 fishes story. Right? Why? When we ask any types of 7 times when we ask the question, we'll get a reason. That type of exposure you will have in IIT level. Well, coming to the point of a need, coming to the point of a CBSE, just you will have an information. So if you want to get a more confidence or more information or more exposure to the subject, obviously you should be that way. Clear? So now I feel myself that if I get an opportunity to study again in a school days, I'll go back to my school days, it will be joining that. I took it join in top colleges, right? I studied in a normal college. Because I don't have this much of information. Is that clear? So if I have information, obviously, you may choose that one only, right? That's the point. Very good. Anything else? Yeah.
What might be the questions asked in an interview?
Interview, see the thing. Interview, okay, let me give one example for this one. One day when I, how many of you know the Mylan? You know Mylan pharmaceutical company? It's also one of the MNC company, multinational company. Okay? So when I went to interview, they ask me one question. I'm giving an example for that. If you are doing the same work daily, will you get bored? Get up in morning, same routine work if you are doing daily, what will get bored, right? The question asked me is that, question asked by the interviewer saying that if you are bored in doing the same task every day, what will you do? Did you get the question? If you are bored in doing the same task every day, what will you do? Can anyone answer this? You are doing the same task every day. You are bored. Then what will you do? Who will answer this? Who will answer? Try it. Try it. Nothing wrong. Yeah, try it.
Enjoy the job.
Enjoy the job. You are getting bored. Daily you are doing the same thing. Routine, coming, going to the office, a biometric, going to sitting, checking all the information, get up, having a tea, going lunch. This is the routine task. Then what will you do? How will you handle that?
Take a break.
Take a break. What will you take for 2 days leave? 1 week leave and you will enjoy it come. Again after that same routine work. Then, yeah. Somebody is answering that. Yeah, what is that? Very good. Class for that one. Very good. What's your name? Mihas. Fine. So I have given the same answer. I will do the same work in different way. Okay. You understand? So such type of question. So one more question I will ask. First interview of mine, they will have a competitive, entrance exam for interview also. Before interview. See, the question is, there are some 6 chocolates. In a empty stomach, how many chocolates can you eat? There are 6 chocolates. In empty stomach, how many chocolates can you eat? Let us assume that. How many chocolates? All 6 chocolates? Sure. Is it? Why? I will ask a lot of questions.
When we eat one chocolate, the taste will become, our tongue will become taste and our stomach will
So you feel that after eating that you will get frustrated, okay enough, don't want to eat. And if I ask me dairy milk chocolate, I will eat 4-5 chocolates. Yeah. You should not eat any chocolate because it is not good for health. Very good. Then, any other try? In empty stomach, how many chocolates can you eat? What is that? 1. Why? You say any number, I will ask next question. Why? Yes. Stomach will be full. Okay, yes, you are asking, yes. You eat 6 chocolates. Very good. Using Pepsodent. Right, next time. Any other person? Why? No. In empty stomach, shall I answer? In empty stomach, we can eat only 1 chocolate. Reason? After eating 1 chocolate, your stomach is not empty. You didn't understand. After eating first chocolate, your stomach is not empty. It is not filled with 1 chocolate, right? Yes or no? So that is called not, there is no option that empty stomach. In empty stomach, you can eat only 1 apple, 1 chocolate, anything is 1. Because after eating that, nothing is there. So this is how the smart way they will be asking the questions and all. Related to subject also, of course related to subject. Okay, should be thorough with that. Yes, next any other person? Clear? Yeah. Any other person? Fast. Yeah.
What are the tips to understand IIT concept?
Some tips to understand the IIT concept is very simple. First of all, don't think that IIT is different. Second thing is that it is actually related to your CBSE syllabus only. Did you understand? CBSE syllabus only. If you see the intermediate first year and second year syllabus with your ninth class, whatever syllabus is there, that will be syllabus in your intermediate first year. Same chapters but in that of explanation. Intermediate 10th class syllabus in intermediate second year. Okay, so keeping that point in mind, first thing to understand the subject very easily is that should have a very good foundation. Okay, so just for example, if I say why leaves are green in color, and for this one I will say understanding the subject in depth. All your CBSE students are right. Why? This is one example. Why leaf is green in color? What is that? Yes, this is a CBSE answer. This is a CBSE answer. Can anyone give in-depth more informative answer? Why? The question is very simple. Why the leaf is green in color? CBSE answer is that NCERT textbook answer is that it is having a chlorophyll. Very good. What is the next level? NEET level answer. Right? Yes. It contains green pigments called chlorophyll. Just change the sentence. That's all. No. Then that. Why? I am asking the question why. Why is the question related to IIT or NEET related? Why it is green in color? Yeah.
The tree contains chlorophyll. The chlorophyll contains green pigment. That's why the leaves are green.
Instead of giving a 1 mark question, you give a 4 mark question. Answer. That's all. But answer the question IIT level, NEET level of answer. Only smart kids can answer this. See, shall I say? Shall I reveal? The reason is that the leaf contains a chlorophyll. It's a pigment, right? And the pigment, what it will do? It will absorb the sunlight. Yes? I didn't complete the answer. You have done conclusion. Hey, this is the answer I know. This answer I know. The answer is that when it absorbs the sunlight, the light contains different colored lights. What is that? Vibgyor, you know Vibgyor? Right? In that, the pigment will reject or reflect green colored light. Is that clear? It will absorb the light, and in that light, green color light is reflected by the leaf, which is a chlorophyll. Did you get the point? So because the particular green color light is reflected by the chlorophyll that appears in green in color. Did you get the point? Up to now we have studied. Leaves are green in color because it contains chlorophyll. Completed. Why it is green in color? It contains chlorophyll. How come? No. After that reason is that the light which is absorbed by the chlorophyll in that different colored lights in a particular wavelength, that green colored wavelength light will be reflected, and because of that reason our eyes will observe the green color and will look like a green color. Did you understand? Yes? If you want, you can check this point in your NCERT, not in NCERT, in a PSL book. Clear? Did you understand? Right. Then, did you understand the concept? This is the point how we will be the difference. If you want to learn it, why? Yes, next. Any other person? Any other question? I was expecting a lot of questions who are smart. Fine? Just we have 10 minutes more. Yes?
What is the importance of IIT?
Formal information, in depth of explanation or information will be in IIT level. Now just I give an example. White is green in color. This is the reason. Clear? Understand? Right. That's different. Yes. So one more question shall I ask? Yeah. They have different type of, yes, I will. I think this point is in your book also. Some plants are not in green color. Yes? Why? Yes, that question is correct. Some plants leaves are in green color. Some plants leaves are not in green color. Why? Yes. They don't observe green color light. 50-50 answer. Yeah. Any other person? Wait. Reason. The reason is that, listen. So chlorophyll is a green color pigment. Okay, chlorophyll is a green color pigment. There are some other pigments, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, all the things. Okay, they are not in green color. They will absorb a different color light. Okay, so they will reflect different color light. Obviously, they will look like in a different color. Is that clear? Did you understand? Yes. Fine. Yes. Any other question? What is respiration? Easy. What is respiration? What is that? Inhaling and exhaling is called breathing. Respiration. How many of you accept that? What is respiration? Inhaling and exhaling. This is the point. Shall I say need level answer? What is the need level answer? See, people started opening books and turning the pages.
Stand up, stand up.
Good. So there is a difference between
The process of inhaling oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide.
Is called?
Respiration.
Yes? Sir, in book that only is this. Huh? Sure. What is respiration? Taking in of oxygen, releasing carbon dioxide. Is called respiration. Will you accept? Yes?
You cannot give answer.
Yeah.
Inhaling and exhaling by the respiratory part of an living organ.
Answer.
Inhaling and exhaling through the respiratory part of an organ.
Is called?
Respiration.
Oh. See, the thing is that when I keep on stressing the question why, you are changing, you are adding few more sentences. You are not going beyond your NCERT textbook. You are not going beyond your CBSE. When you are going to level of a need level answer, shall I say? Shall I repeat? Right? See, the point here is that yes.
If we really lungs become outside the
Very good, I appreciate that. One second. That is the CBSE answer here. I am asking need level answer. Now here the point is that taking enough oxygen, listen, taking enough oxygen, releasing carbon dioxide is called breathing. Just a breathing. Coming to the point of respiration. Only the point of respiration. Taking enough oxygen, okay, that goes to the lungs. From lungs, alveoli will absorb that. From alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. From there, that will be sent to the cell. After cell it receives. The process goes on glycolysis and Krebs cycle. What is that? Glycolysis, Krebs cycle. What is glycolysis? What is Krebs cycle? Sir, this is not in your NCERT book, sir. Yes? That will be in your NEET books. Here's a mean. IIT level of this one. And this will be in your 7th class itself. In your 7th class itself you are learning. But you people, sir, enough sir, CBSE. No, if you compromise, you are compromised future. So when it goes to the cell, the glucose which you have taken and the oxygen which you have taken, that will be utilized to generate energy. I will make it a very simple one. Oxygen which is taken by your body will be utilized to generate energy. That complete process is called as a respiration. Is it clear? So that's the difference between NCERT and the NEET. Then now you have to choose. What do you want? What do you want? Want to be normal or smart? Smart means you have to think something different. Clear? Right? Any other doubts? 5 minutes. Yes. Can you do please mic?
Why CBSE is not important in IIT in future?
See, it's not important. That's a wrong concept. CBSE is important. If you're learning in depth of explanation, that's IIT, that's it.
But in future they are selecting only IIT students now.
Where?
Like companies.
Like?
Companies.
It doesn't, it's not a point that school, they are selecting only IIT. If you are much smarter in explaining, convincing, more informative, so now you are asking some points, some questions. You are given only that level of answer. When I give in-depth of explanation, who will give you the choice for the person? See, for example, you are explaining only CBSE, mean that level of information. I am explaining in-depth of explanation. Whom do you think that will have more knowledge? Me? Yes? That's what you said. Okay. So obviously the thing is that I am not saying a point. In IIT, say one more point I would like to say. In IIT or NEET, the syllabus of CBSE only will be there. There is nothing separate syllabus. Is it clear? Is it clear? That is not a separate syllabus. But the point here is that if you are learning the subject in depth, more explanation. Did you understand? If you get more information, that is IIT NEET. If you are just learning the normal one, that's a CBSE. Clear? That's it. Any other question? 4 minutes. Any other question? Shall we close? Yes. It is easy to crack. CBSE exam. NEET and mains exam. Wow. Then this side. This wing, boys wing. Okay, fine. There are 2 students in the class. There are 2 students in class. Okay? One is preparing well for his competitive exams, and one is preparing just for a board exam. Who is the best among both? What is that? Board exam. Competitive exam. How many of you want to say that it's competitive exam? I understand that. I understand you are not much aware of what is the difference between that and this. Yes? You are feeling that board exam is 10th class, sir, after getting result. My parents will distribute sweets. Huh? Everyone will say that we got topper in the class. So can anyone help me one point? If your dad want to travel from here to Delhi, let us assume, You know how to do reservation, right? Yes. If you want to travel from the Kothakota to Delhi, his journey date is on 30th of March. Will you do reservation now or do you want to plan on the day of journey?
Now.
Immediately now. Why? Why? What is the reason? If your dad want to go for a Delhi from here on 30, why you want to do reservation now itself? Yeah? You can do it on the day and on the night. Enduku? Tickets? Tickets will finish. Okay, very good. Then? On the day? Very good. You got 2 claps for you. Very good. Very good. Right, very good. Then, any other answer? How many have to be tension free for about your future? So, what is the future, sir? Okay. How many of you prepare for your exams 1 day before? 1 day before exams. How many of you prepare for exams 1 week before? See, everyone is looking at their faces. Hey, you fellow. How many of you prepare for exams 1 month before? 1 month before. Fine. How many of you prepare exams daily? Sir, daily today's teacher explains. Today itself I will complete the task. Daily. Sure? Are you sure? Very good. See, after coming on we will discuss. Is this question answer correct? This is answer? Yes? But the student who prepare daily will relax more. Will be relaxed more. Whenever you go and ask them, how did you write? I didn't write the problem. Next to second question you will say, did you left any question? I left 2 questions, I have doubt. After getting the result, he or she will be the topper. Then when you go and ask them, how did you get the result? I don't know, that was half my given experience. Will you agree to have such a friends? And I am sure that all students are class toppers. Do you know that? The secret behind the class toppers is that they will prepare for exams daily. Right? They are not like us. Category A. If suddenly something happens, we take the chance. Because of that, we take and we get 2 marks. Right? It's a problem. Just don't think that category A students' situation will be worse. Suddenly, on the day of exam, you might have sick, situation might be worse. Then your result will be changed. Yes? So, what I would like to say is that instead of which is the best way to prepare for exams every day or on the day before exam? What's that? Before exams, very good. So I understand how smart kids you are that saying 1 day before preparing exams you get a good result. Depends upon 50-50 chances. Every day prepare exam? Right. So now let me give a very interesting point. So just assume your IIT NEET exam, that is the JEE exam and NEET exam will be after your intermediate second year. Why? Why you want to join in top colleges? Anything is engineering college. Why you want to join in top colleges? Anyone? Anyone can answer this. Why we want to join in a top engineering college only? RSO can there. How many want to join in IIT? IIT college only we want to join, sir. I'll give you one example. Just you imagine that you are went to any function. Concentrate here. Just went to any function. You are standing in a queue. Okay. First person got all fresh biryani. Right? Second person. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth. Your position is on at 100. By the time you go to come with the plate, what will you get? Oh? Bones. Then, Kali plate. Good. See, the same situation happens with that. All the top colleges will be chosen by IIT students, IIT toppers, NIT toppers. Leftover, whatever the seats is there in normal colleges, that will be taken by the EdSet students and normal students. Which is the best? So that is also engineering college, this is also engineering. Why you want that? What is the difference between that and this? What is the difference? If there is two shops, one is a normal shop in Kothakota and one more is let us assume a Reliance Trend. Do you know Reliance Trend? Okay, your dad has given a chance to you to choose. Okay, which shop you want you will take. Where will you go? Two shops. One is a showroom. You will get all type of varieties. The best. One is a normal one. Which one will you go? Normal or the best? Normal or best? Right? For just choosing a dress, you are choosing a best one. For your career, you don't want best. You want to compromise in normal college. But just for a dress, you are choosing the best one. Or you want to go to Reliance Trend. Well, top branded one. How many of your parents are you from agriculture? Farmers. So last middle goal. Yourself. What is your ambition? Yourself. You are which class? You are which class? 6th class. What is your ambition? Want to become an engineer? Decide yourself. This person. No, this person. Yeah. Yeah, yourself. Yeah. What is your ambition? Software engineer. Okay. Yourself. Kabaddi player. Good. But red t-shirt, red and blue combination. Yes. What is your ambition? What is your ambition? Army. Good, yeah? Right. I just remembering my school days. When my teacher used to ask me, what is your ambition? I was a doctor. Okay. And my classmates, some of them used to say, engineer. Right? And one more internal secret, one more is intention might be is there with me that I want to join in army. Do you know that? Army. I will share this point. Actually, my dad is in army. Was in army, he retired. Okay. If you see my posture, the hairstyle, everything looks like an army person. Yes? The reason is that from my childhood, when I was watching my dad, when I was observing my dad, okay, I used to feel that I should join the army. But externally, when you say that, I want to join in MBBS, if someone asks. Prestige issue. Yes? Yes or no? So how many, whenever I used to go to my dad and see and look at him and the way he dresses, the way he presents himself in front of the officers, the way I would just got inspiration from him and thought to join. The point I would like to share here is that if you want to choose any very big ambition, whether you're from a farmer family, a business, or anything, just you want to concentrate what you're doing.
Mike, please.
My school. Okay, first I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya in Pune. It's in army school. From there I moved to a school name called Vishwashanti English Medium School in Andhra Pradesh. Right? At that time I was like new people, yeah. I was also sitting like that, watching something the teachers are saying. When you have that interest, when you have that important, when you feel that that's important, always will grow automatically, will learn a lot. Okay? Then, 2 minutes more. You want any exam? What exam? What exam? Is that? Intelligence is knowledge. What is that? Doctors in your words. How many want to become an engineer? How many want to become an engineer? Only few. How many want to join in the army? Oh. In sports? Cricketer. Good. See, the point here is that, listen, the point here, so IIT is related to the, it's a competitive exam. After your, when you are going to write exam? That is your exam conducted in KPS. Okay, that's not the actual exam will be conducted in a JEE exam. What is that? JEE exam. That will be conducted in October. Intermediate. You know what is intermediate? What is that? After 10th class. Very good college. Yeah. After 10th, what will you do? College, so excited. College, then, is it after 10th standard? 11th and 12th class, intermediate first year and second year. After that, what will you do? Degree. Degree first year. Good. After second year. Third year. Oh, first year, second year, third year. Then, fourth year. Acha, you know after 10th class, you join in intermediate first year, second year, degree first year, second year, third year, then you will go to BTech. Oh. What is BTech? What is BTech? It's a type of tech. Huh? What is BTech? Okay, after BTech, what will you do?
Again,
After BTech, what will you do? Job. Which type of job you are planning to do? What is that? Police. Doctor. So doctor is a job. What is that? Engineer. Engineer is a job. Software is a job. Collector is a job. Very good. See, the point here is that I appreciate everyone. The knowledge what you gain now. When we are in the school days at your age, we don't have this much of information. If someone asks after never fifth standard, right? Just you are a huge lot of applause for yourself. They have very good information. Yes. Hello. I think you two have very good experience in doing going to temple and doing getting a prasada. Continuously is that, right? So the point here, you should, when you are going to write an exam on 16, before that you just have information why you are writing that exam. Why you are writing that exam. So you are saying that after 10th class, intermediate first year, second year, then we will go to the degree, then we will first year, second year, then we go to the BTech, job. No. Okay, the process what happens here is that after your school, after 10th standard, you will have an intermediate first year and second year. That intermediate is called as 11th and 12th class also in a CBSE pattern. Okay, after your 11th and 12th class, fine. After completing your 12th class, that is intermediate second year, okay, you need to write an exam called as a JEE mains. What is that? JEE mains. And after that, one more exam, JEE advanced. Is that clear? Do you understand? And one more exam is a NEET. Who will write these JEE exams and who will write this NEET? I want to. No. What will happen here is that after completing your second year, after completing your 10th class, when you go to 11th and 12th class, you will have two groups. You have two groups to choose. If you want to go in the engineering stream, you should choose which group? Somebody is answering this. Very good. What is that? MPC. Next one is the IPC. What is full form of MPC? Very good. Maths, physics, chemistry. Clear? And then what about biology? Biology, physics, chemistry. Right? Right. So if you want to join in the engineering, then you have to be in the MPC group. If you want to be in a medical group, that is you want to become a doctor, then BPC group. Is that clear? Do you understand? Now the point here is that after completing your 2 years, 11th class and 12th class, intermediate first year and second year, you will have an exam called JEE main and advanced. What is that? JEE mains and advanced exam. If you qualify JEE main, then only you are eligible to write JEE advanced. Is that clear? After completing qualifying this exam, then only you get a seat in top IIT colleges. Clear? Is that clear? Now, then if you are qualified in the NEET exam, then you will get a seat in top MBBS college. Is that clear? MBBS kids? You will say the doctor. If you want to become a doctor, what do you want to study? Is that clear? Is that clear? If you want to study, you want to become a doctor, you have to study MBBS. And if you want to be in the best college in the MBBS, you want to qualify in the NEET. Is that clear? If you want to qualify in NEET, then what do you have to study? That is in your intermediate first year and second year. Clear? Then if what will is the important study? Okay sir, that is intermediate level. After school you have to study. Then what you have to do now? Study. Yes, study. What will you study? Why? To prepare for? To prepare? To get a seat in it. Very good plan. I'm impressed with your answers. The reason is, did anyone give this information to you? How do you know this all? How do you know this all information? Google. What is that? Google. Good. Right. So, the point is that if you want to join in the NEET, if you want to crack, if you want to get qualified in a NEET, if you want to qualify in the JEE Mains and Advanced, you should have a very good coaching. So, I'll give you an example. Shall I give an example? There are two students. Both of you know. Both of you, yes. Come. What's the name? Likith, Sai Pranav. Mr. Likith and Sai Pranav. Two members. Okay? One student is a person who is just learning us from CBSE board. And the person who is learning IIT or NEET foundation. Two students, okay? Mr. Likith is preparing what? CBSE, normal CBSE. And the person Likith, what's the name? Sai Pranav. Sai Pranav. Mr. Sai Pranav is IIT. From which class he is learning? Then from when you have IIT foundation? 6th, 7th, after 10th? In intermediate first year also you will have, in intermediate second year also you will have. Okay? Yes. And the Mr. Pranav, Mr. Likith, just after completing his intermediate, his 10th standard, he joined in IIT NEET Foundation course. To who will get seat easily? Who? Mr. Sai? Why? One answer, no group answers. One person. IIT from 6th class itself. Okay, will you not get a seat? He may get. Reason? He need to struggle after 10th standard. Yes or no? Within 2 years he need to crack the exam. But this Sai Pranav from his school where the intermediate in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th already is exposed to that. Is that clear? So which is easy for him? For this fellow or this fellow? Sai Pranav. Right? So that's the simple thing. Now you say me the answer. Why you are preparing for IIT NEET now? Why? to get not only seed, to get more information. Okay, so what is the difference in learning or preparing for IIT foundation and not preparing? Is it the same or different? Different. What is the difference? In IIT, you have more information. Very good. Then, in IIT you have more information. What is that? You are getting more knowledge. Can you give an example? More knowledge means, see, I will ask a lot of questions. Okay? More knowledge means what? So last question. Why are you coming to school? To get more knowledge. What is that knowledge? To get intelligence. What is that intelligence? So we didn't think all these questions before. The thing. See, the point here is that you are preparing for your future from now itself. That's simple. So as you most of you are thinking to join in IIT colleges, to be in a top engineering college. Okay, I'll give one more example. If there are two shops. There are two shops. One shop is very small. Dress, let us assume there is a dress shop. You have a birthday. So for your birthday, you plan to have a very good dress. Okay. Did you get the point? And you went over, there is two shops. One is normal small shop, one is a big showroom. Which one will you go? Showroom, right? You have got quality. Then discount, offer. This side. So we have many options to choose the dresses. That's why we will go for a showroom. Yes? Yes or no? So in the same way, if you want to be in the top colleges of IIT and NEET, you should start from preparation from now itself. So one more question I will have to ask. How many of you will prepare for exams before one day? Tomorrow exam, today only you will start preparing. 1 week before, means today if there is exam, 1 week before exam you will start preparation. How many of you prepare for exams before 1 month? No. How many of you prepare for exams every day? Every day you prepare for exams? Sure. Yes, today ma'am is explaining or sir is explaining answer. Listen. If today ma'am or sir is explaining some concept, immediately you will study? Yes? Sure. Very good students. So let's see your point. If sir is there, myself. Sir is preparing daily for exams. And I am preparing 1 day before exam. Whose result will be great? Why? What is that? Sir is preparing? Right. Now the point is that if you want to crack exam of NEET or JEE, when do you want to prepare? From now? I mean, from now itself? You have from 6th class, right? From 6th class. You want to prepare from 6th class or in intermediate? So there are two students. Okay, one is preparing from 6th class. He is If you miss that, there will be only half an hour time. You have to stand in line. And if you see the first person will be crying, second person will be crying, third person will be crying, fourth person will be crying. Why? Missing mom. Homesick. You know homesick. I cried. I left my parents in my childhood with staying with the grandparents. I left. I started crying. First time in my life. I never felt such a hard way. Then, when our moms or our parents are very soft, they say, okay, don't worry, we'll come back. I get time waste. Yes. Doubts are explained by different person. It's a big drama. So what I suggest you that don't be in such type of trap. Okay. Happily be with your parents. Right. Happy be with your parents. After 10th class anyway you have to go. Then, Ayar, look here. After 10th class anyway you will go to college. After college, how many years will you stay with your parents? Let us assume that you are studying in Navina, 8th class or 7th class. Let us assume. How many years will you be with your parents? 3 years. 8th class, 9th class, 10th class. After that? Innovate, you will go to the college and hostel. Yes? No parents, attachment less. Then again, you will join in IIT college or engineering college or MBBS college, some other course. Again, you have to stay in a hostel or room, no parents. After that, job, stay in some other places. Parents, no parents. Then again, you will get a job. After marriage, when you will stay with your parents then? Only up to your school days. Why I am saying this point is that I missed this point. When I was at 7 years, my parents left for giving a best education. They left at my grandparents' house. I said this point, right? When they left, and now when my dad, I will say this one want to share this point. What is the impact of staying in hostels and staying away from the parents? Suddenly, recently, a few years back, my dad met with an accident. And emergency, I got a call. Okay. And I said, what happened? Met with an accident. Oh, take care. Fine. Got it. Same call went to my brother. He stopped it. What happened? Where? I will come. Reason? Can you guess the reason? What is the reason? Why I reacted in that way? Why my brother reacted in that way? Because I used to stay with my grandparents. My brother used to stay with my parents. So the attachment with your parents will be good when you are staying with them. And that's the reason I have a daughter, even though me and my wife both are working, she's staying with us only. I never sent to the grandparents. Because I know the pain. Do you understand the point? Do you understand? So I know the pain of that staying away from the parents. So please make sure you can stay with your parents only up to 10th standard. Later you will be in the race, college, next engineering college, hostel, life, job, that will be there. So don't miss your parents. Okay? That's one point. The next one more thing is that I would like to appreciate one more thing. So whenever you learn the concepts, not just by heart things. Okay? You have very good curriculum. I assure you that. Okay? So you remember me that. You will remember. So what are the points I am saying that? When you go to some other, when you interact with your other friends of your other school, they will say that we have to have IIT. Just ask them what is the curriculum, what is the procedure they follow. Here the teachers will have from morning to evening. In corporate schools, what they do? Teacher will explain, go. Some other person will clarify the doubt. You will say, sir, explain in that way, this is correct. Next day when the teacher comes, you will not have a time to ask the question because he will come explain the lesson, go. You get the point? Then when you ask, this is correct. Then you have a confusion again, which is correct? This is correct. Explained by the tutor or explained by the sir or ma'am. Clear? Okay. I too worked in Srijani as a zoology lecturer. So I know the thing. I used to go to college, explain the lesson, No. Some other teacher will come, will conduct the exam, clarify the doubt, everything. Okay. So such type of problems will be there. You have got very good opportunity to study in KPS. I sure 100% surely say that. So don't misuse that or don't miss that. Fine. Any other thing? Anything to share? Shall we close? Shall we close the session? Or do you have any doubts to get clarification?
Which course is important?
See, the thing is, one point, most of the students will have a confusion with whether to choose MPC or BIPC. The point you need to remember here is that to which you have a passion, where you have a passion, to which group, which subject, you have to choose that. My own example, I will say, my qualification is M.Pharm. Do you know M.Pharm? M.Pharmacy, B.Pharmacy. Do you know that? My qualification is M.Pharm. I am passionate in teaching. I left the job, corporate company job, and came to the teaching profession. That's my passion. Okay. If I identify my passion in my school days or college days, I might join in a different this one. So don't get misguided or tempted by your beside auntie will come or uncle. Hey, that brother is taken MPC. You also take MPC. Right? He is studying in that school. You also go and join that school. You get the point. He is taking MPC. MPC means his own interest. So some of the students, I will say one more example. When I am one of intermediates, we have an institute. Some students come for a NEET coaching to me. Okay, when I ask the student in front of the parent, they say, what is your ambition? They say, sir, I want to join in MBBS, sir. Okay, after 1 or 2 days, when I call the student and ask, what is your real ambition? Sir, I want to become an actor. Okay, I want to become a dance teacher. I want to be a fashion designer. Literally, these are the answers. So don't get tempted or influenced by your surrounding people, saying that join that group, join this group, join here, join there, this and all. You should have your own decision making plan. Okay, when you have that, your life will be very interesting. If you don't have that interest, don't have that courage, always you should follow some person. Okay? There is no such a group which is important, which is not important. Only the thing, the way, the passion you have to the subject. If someone asks me maths or science, which is important, I will say science, sir, because I am interested in science. Did you get the point? I will say maths is difficult, sir. Then maths becomes difficult. Some other person say that science is difficult, maths is easy. Right? For him. So you too should have your own passion, interest. Identify that. Follow your passion. Not your words of others. Beside auntie, opposite uncle, backside brother. Okay? These are all persons will be there. Otherwise a person will sit in our class going to take BIPC group. Then he will be BIPC. He is taking BIPC, I too will take BIPC. Clear? He is joining in MPC. You know a lot of members in MPC, you will get a job easily. He knows half information, you too will be get influenced. Okay, I have to join in MPC. That's a wrong mistake done by most of the students. Fine. So don't do such a thing. Always follow your what? What is that? Always follow your passion, interest. Even though if you get any troubles in that, you will be happy to face the problems. Clear? Right? Any other doubt? Shall we close?
After completing this, do you want to write JMS which course?
After completing 10th class. JEE mains is related to MPC. If you are after 10th class, if you are joining in MPC, then only you will be eligible to get write a JEE mains. Okay. If you qualify JEE mains, then only you will have eligibility to write JEE advanced. Then, any other doubts? That's all. Shall we stop? Fine? Yes.
Sir, in another exams is there in BIPC?
Yeah, NEET, MCET. MCET is a state board exam. and NEET is a central board exam. MCET is very easy to crack. When you are preparing for NEET, MCET is very easy. Okay, you will not have any negative marking, you will not have any twisted questions and all, logical this one. Normal persons also can qualify. Yeah. So my humble request is that, so please make sure don't waste your time taking a wrong decisions and changing the places, changing the schools, changing the colleges or whatever is there. Always focus on one thing until come to that. Spend more time with your parents. Okay? More time with your parents, not with your what do you say? Some other point, other things in your life. Okay? With this, I would like to close the session. Fine? Thank you. Shall we move? We'll go.